How to enable or disable minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected in Windows 11. Sometimes, when you disconnect an external monitor on Windows 11, your open windows automatically minimize. But for people who frequently switch between docking stations or monitors, this can get annoying. In this video, we'll show you how to enable or disable the minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected setting in Windows 11, so you can choose the behavior that works best for you. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Prerequisites to keep in mind. You can change this setting in two ways, through the Settings app or by editing the Windows registry. For IT admins or enterprise users, it can also be deployed across multiple devices using a PowerShell script. Before you start, keep in mind, these methods work on all versions of Windows 11. To edit the registry or run PowerShell scripts, you'll need administrator access. You can check this by going to Start, Settings, Accounts. If you see Administrator under your name, you're good to go. This guide only affects how Windows behave when a monitor is disconnected. Method 1. Enable or disable via Settings app GUI. This is the quickest and easiest way to do it, perfect for personal use. Once you set it up, the changes stick even after you log out or restart. Go to Start, Settings, System, Display. Click Multiple Displays. Check the box for Minimize Windows when an external monitor is disconnected to turn it on. Uncheck it to turn it off. Method 2. Configure via Registry Editor. This method's a bit more advanced, and it only applies to the account you're using. If multiple people use the same PC, you'll need to do this for each user. Open the Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Go to H-key, Current User, /Control Panel, /Desktop. Look for Monitor Removal Recalc Behavior. If it's not there, right-click Desktop, New, DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Monitor Removal Recalc Behavior. Double-click it and set the value. 1 to minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected. 0 to keep windows in place. Click OK to save. Then, restart Windows Explorer to apply the changes. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, select Windows Explorer. Click Restart Task. Method 3. PowerShell script for automation. This method works best for enterprise environments. You can deploy the registry changes to all managed devices using an endpoint management tool. Open the Start menu and search for Windows PowerShell. To turn off the setting and stop Windows from minimizing when a monitor is disconnected, run this command and press Enter. To turn it back on, use this command and press Enter. Turning the minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected setting on or off helps keep desktop behavior consistent across your organization. Leaving it enabled ensures users don't lose open windows when they unplug an external monitor. For more information, check out our official blog post on settings for minimizing windows linked in the description below.